To withdraw funds from eToro, follow these simple steps. First, log into your eToro account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Withdraw Funds from the drop-down menu. Next, you will be taken to the withdrawal page where you can enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to check your available balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for withdrawal. eToro allows you to withdraw funds in various currencies. So select the currency you wish to withdraw in. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, which can be via PayPal, bank transfer, or other payment methods available on the platform. If you are using a bank transfer, you will need to add your bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and account holder name. After selecting your withdrawal method, review the withdrawal details carefully, including the amount, currency, and fees associated with the withdrawal. eToro charges a small withdrawal fee, which varies depending on the withdrawal method and currency. Once you have reviewed the details, click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal process. eToro will then review your withdrawal request and process it within a few business days. You will receive an email notification once the withdrawal is processed and the funds are transferred to your account. It is essential to note that eToro has a minimum withdrawal amount, which varies depending on the currency and withdrawal method. Additionally, some withdrawal methods may have additional fees or requirements, so it is crucial to check the eToro website for the most up-to-date information. To avoid any delays or issues with your withdrawal, ensure that your account is fully verified and that you have complied with all the platform's requirements. It is also a good practice to keep your account information and withdrawal details up to date to ensure smooth and efficient withdrawals. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily withdraw your funds from eToro and enjoy the benefits of trading on the platform. Remember to always review the withdrawal details carefully and check the eToro website for any updates on withdrawal policies and fees.